Hi guys, Mark from Custom Dynamics. Today I'm going to install some new front turn signals for the Low Rider ST. They go along with the aggressive styling of the Shark Demon. They kind of match that off-road look. So we're going to install those today. Hope you follow along. Alright guys, I'm going to jump right into this to install the front turn signals. Remove the windshield and the outer fairing, which you've seen a few times. I've installed the headlight and the vent LEDs, so we won't go over that in detail because we've done it a bunch of times. So I'm going to get all that removed, get the bike raised up, and we'll get to the turn signals and show you how we're going to do that. Okay, we got the fairing off. We're here with the left turn signal. And first thing, you want to unplug the turn signal itself. Just press the button, pull it apart. The wire will go back here. And then you remove this by one single bolt that is a T40 coming through the back side of it here. Get that loosened up off of here. Pull the turn signal and the wire through the hole, pull the bolt completely out of there. Then we'll grab our new turn signal, which is this job here. It comes with a new bolt that is a 1/4 inch Allen. And all you're going to do is feed that wire back through the hole. It has a nice little half moon portion there that locks into place here, and then when you put the bolt in, you're good to go. Let's start the bolt. Tighten it up good. Okay. Turn your wire up, plug it back in. That's pretty much it. As simple as that. We'll go around and do the other side. I'll put the fairing back on, and then we'll show you what these look like. Okay, back at the bike. Got everything back on, buttoned up. Like I said, very easy, very simple install. It makes a huge difference from the stock turn signals to these. So when you turn them on, again, super bright white. Hit the turn signal. You go to amber. Just a huge difference. I can't say enough for just how bright they are and how good they look. Like as always, you can pick these up at your local drag specialty dealer and CustomDynamics.com.